are. And hello from the sunny Okanagan, but it's actually raining a little bit here today in the sunny Okanagan. It just started to come out of the clouds, but I was not going to let a little bit of rain stop me from talking to you today about a very simple but incredibly effective way to train your team members, and that is by using video training. Now, we know videos are such a powerful tool for delivering content, education to our learners, and it helps improve their experience, understanding, and the retention of the education. So today I'm going to talk to you about 6 ways that video training can benefit your team members and your learners. Now, when people consume educational content, there's a big number of that. A lot of it just goes down the drain, right? Like, it's really difficult for people to retain the information. The statistic is that people forget approximately 63% of what you taught them within a week. Now, pairing visuals with the content can dramatically improve that statistics. But here's what's really important. Your visuals have to be very engaging. And this is where video really comes into play and shines. Video lets you present your education and the information using a nice rhythm and a flow of visuals, text on screen, and audio that really keeps people engaged. The learner has control as well, which is really important. When people have control over the education, when they can get what they need when they want it, then they're more likely to remember the information because they've accessed it at their own pace. So this is another benefit of video training, because your learner can pause, they can rewind, they can replay, and they can make sure that they've captured what they need out of the education. Now, of course, the addition of background music in your videos can really also help to hit the emotional nerves of your learners. And sparking emotion in your training helps your audience to connect to the importance of the topic, and it can really get their attention and buy-in. So that is benefit number 1. It makes employee training more effective. Benefit number 2 is that it works on mobile devices, right? We are a global online communication mega machine now, and most people, a huge percentage of people now, consume their education on their mobile devices. Now, we're all at home right now with COVID, so we're probably doing a lot more consuming of education on our computers than we were before. But mobile devices are still here and they reign. So that is perfect. Video is such an easy way to push out content and allow your learners to pull the content on their mobile device. So there's so many different ways that you can distribute your video training that are easy to access. So this makes it really viable for your organization. Now, another benefit of video is that it allows you to show instead of just telling. So it provides you, as the instructor, the ability to show how to do just about anything. So if you're creating how-to tutorial videos, you are actually able to show your learners the step-by-step process, the hands-on how to do it. You can zoom in on things, you can pan out, you can capture all the different angles to really give them the ability to see and experience how to do the process. So videos have the capacity to show visually what to do, and the audio, you speaking and verbalizing the steps, also helps our auditory learners understand and retain the information. It also eliminates that uncertainty, right? When you are actually seeing how someone does the steps, then it gives you those visual cues. Again, you can pause, rewind, do anything you want to make sure that you've retained the information. So remember, people learn using visual, auditory, and kinesthetic means. So those are our 3 types of learners. Some people hit all 3, but the great thing is that video allows you to support all 3 types of learners. Obviously, the visual and the auditory in video, but the kinesthetic is because they can actually experience and do the process along step by step with you. Another reason that video training is really effective for our team members is that it allows you to easily chunk your content. So we know that people learn best when information is presented in small, easy to digest chunks. And people also learn best when they can access the information that they need at the time that they need it. So video is our friend on both accounts here. They can easily be broken down into short segments. And, you know, for your learner, 23-minute videos might actually be better than a 1 hour long video because the information is divided into more manageable pieces for them. The other tip is that learners can learn at their own time, right? We will all learn better when we get the information that we need when we need it. And with video, you can quickly see how long the lesson is. How long is this piece of education? Is it a 1-minute video? Is it a 15-minute video? And that allows you to kind of fit it into your schedule and do it when it's best for you. It's also so much easier to share the information. So with the help of the internet, publicly available hosting platforms and social media, sharing your videos with your team members is easier than ever, right? You can, for free, you can host your videos on platforms like YouTube or on Vimeo. If you want your videos to be private just for your individual learners, then you can have them as unlisted, or you can share them publicly. So it's great because you don't need to worry about the storage for your content, and it gives you the ability to deliver your education to your team members in an easy way. So in conclusion, here's a recap of the 6 reasons why you should start using video training for your team. Number 1, it makes employee training more effective by presenting the information in a way that's very engaging. Number 2, it works on mobile devices, allowing the learner to watch it anywhere. Number 3, videos help you give a visual aid to your learners. Number 4, videos can be created as separate topics, and so you can easily chunk it to help with your learners' retention. Number 5, your learners can review them at their own time, their own pace, so it gets rid of any scheduling conflicts. And number 6, it's easy to host and share the content with your learners. So thank you so much for joining me today. My name's Lorena Klingel. I'm the founder of Learn to Flourish, and we help organizations share their important messages using video and online learning. And if you would like some tips, our tips on how to create great demonstration videos, so if you're getting started and you're starting to create videos for your training, then please click the link in the description and grab our free training on how to create great demonstration video. Thank you so much. Wishing you inspiration, innovation, and continuous learning. Have a wonderful day.